A straight line passes through the points 1 and 5, this x1 and y1, and 3 and 19, x2, y2. Which of the following points lies on this line? Okay, now as we know, the line equation, y equal to ax plus b. We need to get a and b to get the line. Now a is the slope, which equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 19 minus 5 divided by 3 minus 1 equal to 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. So now we have y equal to 7x plus b. Now we need to get b. So we'll take any of these points and apply it in this equation. So let's take 1 and 5. So y here equal to 5 equal to 7 multiply 1 plus b. 7 will go to the other side with minus 7. So b will be equal to minus 2. So now the line equation is y equal to 7x minus 2. Now we'll take all these points and substitute in this equation to see which point is a solution for this equation. So we'll take the first point, 2 and 14. So the equation will be 14 equal to 7 multiply 2 minus 2. 7 multiply 2 is 14 minus 2 equal to 12. 14 and 12 are not right. The left side is not equal to the right side is not equal to the left side. So this point is not a solution. We'll take 3 and 30. So 30 will be equal to 7 multiply 3 minus 2. 7 multiply 3, 21 minus 2 equal to 19. So 19 is not equal to 30, so this is not the right point. Minus 1 and minus 9. So minus 9 equal to 7 multiply minus 1 minus 2. So minus 7 minus 2 equal to minus 9, and the right side is equal to the left side, so this is a point. Take 1 and minus 10. So minus 10 equal to 7 multiply 1 minus 2, which is equal to 5. It's not the right, they are not equal, so this is not the right point. 4 and 12. So 12 equal to 7 multiply 4 minus 2. 7 multiply 4, 28, minus 2, 26. So they are not right. So this is not a right point. 5 and 33. So 33 equal to 7 multiply 5 minus 2. 7 multiply 5 is 35 minus 2 is 33. So they are equal. So this is the right point. Which of the following gives the equation of the line passing through 3, 10 with a slope of 0? So now the line equation y equal to ax plus b. Said before we need to get a and b. Okay, so here saying slope of 0, it means a is 0. So the equation y equal to 0 x multiply x plus b. So now we have this point 3 and 10. So let's substitute in this equation. So we'll have 10 equal to 0 multiply 3 plus b. So here when that means that b will be equal to 10, right? So now the equation y equal to 0 multiply x plus 10. 0 multiply x is 0, so y will be equal to 10. So the answer here, y equal to 10. In the figure above, we need to know x. We have this triangle and we have this angle 130. So this angle is called exterior angle to the triangle. This is exterior angle. And these two angles are remote interior angle. Okay? And this is exterior. This is exterior and this is interior. Now, here the external angle will be equal to the summation of the remote interior angle. It will be equal to x plus 60. Okay, so exterior angle is 130 equal to x plus 60. So this two remote angles, the sum of two angles equal to the exterior angle. So here x will be equal to 70 degree. So now let's see which option is right. Here we have that x will be less than 130. X here equal to 70. So this is a right answer. X will be equal to 60. No, it's 70. X bigger than 70. Here it's bigger than. Here this is a wrong answer. But if it says that x equal and bigger than 70, I can choose this one. But here I cannot say it's right, it's a wrong answer. Here x bigger than 130, no, right, wrong answer. And x less than 60 degree, which is not the right answer. So the answer here that x less than 130. Which of the following is an exterior angle to triangle MNQ? Triangle MNQ. This triangle. We need to know the exterior angle. So as we see here, that triangle angle 2 is the exterior angle for this triangle. So the answer here will be angle 2. The two triangles shown below are similar. So similar, that means that two triangles have same shape. So for example, these two triangles, it's right angles, but the sides and the angles may have different size. Okay, because now we can get a question, what is the difference between similar triangles and congruent triangles? Congruent triangles, that means they are exactly the same in shape and size, but similar, they have the same shape but different size. Okay, so here for these two triangles, we need to know which side is similar to other side. For example, we have this right angle, so the opposite side, this is the hypotenuse. And this right angle also, and the opposite side is the hypotenuse. That means that this hypotenuse, let's say this is AB, is similar to X or Y. So we'll say that AB, we will start with this triangle 1, this triangle 2. So AB divide XY are similar. Okay? Now, the other side, let's say one side similar to other side. So we can see that this side, and let's say here C, and this is Z, for example, we see that BC is similar to YZ. How we get to know that these sides are similar? Here we have these two triangles in different location. or different rotation. So all what you have to do is to find any of these angles and try to rotate the triangles to be in the same position, so you will get to know which side is similar to other side. So here we have CB similar to YZ, CB similar to YZ. So CA also will be similar to XZ. So CA will be equal to XZ. Okay, and they are equals, and the result will be a constant. And these constants are similar constants. So let's substitute the values here. I have AB here. This is AB. Okay, divide by XY, which is 20 divided by 15, right? Okay, this value, let's simplify it. So I have by 5 equal to 3, by 5 here equal to 4, so equal to 4 over 3. Let's take one of this side. Let's take CB, which is 16, divide by YZ, which is 12. So here divide by 4 equal to 3, divide by 4 equal to 4. It will be 4 over 3. Let's take the other side, which is CA, which is 12, divide by 9, which is XZ, by 3 equal to 3, by 3 equal to 4 will also be equal to 4 over 3. So you see here it have the same constant, same value. So now the answer here it will be 4 over 3. Refer to the diagram below. Given AS, we have line AS and BN, and line BN are intersecting straight lines. Okay, fill in the blank. The value of x plus y. We need the value x, angle x plus y is equal to. Now, we have intersecting straight lines, so that means opposite angles will be equal. So opposite angles will be equals. So here means this angle is 155. So the opposite angle here also will be 155. Okay. And now I have the straight lines. I have two angles, 155 and x. So this is this this angle will be equal to 180 because these two angles lies on the straight line. This is a pair. We have pair angles having the same line, so it means the angles here will be 180. So I have here 155 plus x will be equal to 180. So 155 will go to the other side, so x will be equal to 180 minus 155. It will be equal to 25. So x will be equal to 25. Okay. Same thing in for y. I can get it with two answers. X is opposite to y. So that means y will equal to x will equal to 25. Here he's asking that x plus y. So x plus y, that means 25 plus 25 will be equal to 50 degree. So the answer here will be 50 degree. Another side, to get y, we have also this line and these two angles sharing the same line. So here we can say that 155 plus y will equal to 180 and y will equal to 25 also. Okay, so the answer here for x will be equal to 25 and y will be equal to 25 because y and x are opposite angles. So opposite angles will be equal. So in the question here, he's asking x plus y. So the answer will be 50 degree. Write the equation of the line passing through the points 0 and 10. This is x1, 10, y1, and 2 and 14, 2x2, 14, y2, in the form of ax plus y equal to c. We have the form ax plus y equal to c. Okay, we have the line form here. It's y equal to ax plus b, right? And b or c, whatever. So here means that y will be equal to minus ax plus c, right? And a minus a is the slope. Now to get the slope, this is the slope. So to get the slope, let's substitute in this equation and see. So the slope equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we have 14 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 0. So this one will be equal 4 divided 2 will be equal to 2. This is a, right? But here I have minus a. So the slope here will be equal to minus 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. The equation of the line passing through the points 0 and 2. This is x1, 2 is y1, and 1 and 5 we have x2, y2 is the equation. Now the line equation, y equal to ax plus b. We need to get a and b. For a, this is a slope, b equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So b equal to 5 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 0. So the slope will be equal to 3. And this slope is a. Now the equation will be y equal to 3x plus b. Now I need to get b. So we'll take any of these points, 2 points, and substitute here in this equation. So let's take 0 and 2. So 2 equal to 3 multiply 0 plus b. So b will be equal to 2. So now the equation, the line equation, is equal to y equal to 3x plus 2. So the answer here, it would be 3x plus 2. What is the value of p if the line 3x plus 4y equal to 24 crosses the y-axis b units above the origin? Origin is 0 and 0. This is the origin. So now let's draw this line in the coordinates plane to understand what the question is asking for. So let's say I have this is the coordinate plane. This is the origin, which is 0 and 0. Okay, and here is saying the line crosses the y-axis p units above the origin. So let's assume that this is the line, for example, and it crosses the y-axis p units above the origin. So this is the p. So this point which crosses the line crosses the y-axis in the point here. This point is 0 and b, because x here is 0 and y will be b. And the line cross this point, that means this point is a solution for this line equation. So let's substitute this point in the line equation to get b. So I have 3x plus 4y equal to 24. Now the line cross y-axis p units above the origin, so this point, which is 0 and b, is a solution for this line. So let's substitute 0 and b in the equation. So 3 multiply 0 plus 4 multiply b will equal to 24, right? So 4b equal to 24. So let's divide by 4, divide by 4. So b will be equal to 6. So the answer here is 6. So this point here, the line crosses the point 0 and 6. Fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. The equation of the line passing through the point 2, 6 with a slope of 7. Slope of 7 means the slope A equal to 7 is y. Here the slope is 7, so it will be 7. 7x minus, we need to get this one, which is b. So let's divide the equation. Y will be equal to 7x plus b. Now we need to get the p. He already gave me the slope, which is 7. Now for the point 2 and 6, let's substitute this point in the equation. So I have 6 will be equal to 7 multiply 2 plus p. 7 multiply 2 is 14 equal to 6 plus p. 14 will go to the other side. So 6 minus 14. So p would be equal to minus 8. So now the equation here, p will be equal to minus 8. I have 7x minus 8. So the equation will be y equal to 7x minus 8. Given angle A and angle B are both supplements of angle 1. Okay, supplements, that means 180. Now angle A and angle B are both supplement to angle 1. That means angle A is supplement to angle 1 and angle B supplement of angle 1. So that means angle A plus angle 1 are supplement, so will be equal to 180. At the same time, angle B plus angle 1 will be equal also to 180 because angle A supplements of angle 1 and B supplements of angle 1. Now here I have here 180 and 180, and angle A and angle A are equal, so that means angle A and angle B will be equal. So angle A will be equal to angle B. So now let's substitute angles with these numbers. So we have 3x minus 43 will be equal to x minus 5. Now simplify this equation. So x will go to the other side, it will be 2x, and minus 43 will go to the other side, it will be equal to 38. Divide by 2, divide by 2, so x will be equal to 19. So the answer here, it will be 19. Now, angle M and angle N are complementary. Complementary, that means equal to 90 degrees. That means angle M plus angle N equal to 90 degrees. Here I have angle N plus angle B are complementary. That means angle N plus angle B equal to 90 also. Okay. Now measurement of angle M is give me the measurement of angle M and the measurement of angle B. You need to know the value of Y. So how we can solve this one? If you see here that angle N plus angle M equal to 90 and the same angle which angle N plus angle B equal to 90 also, that from there I can get that angle M will be equal to angle B. How we get this, that angle M equal to angle B? Let's see these two equations. I have angle M plus angle N equal to 90 and angle N plus angle B equal to 90. We have here 90 and 90. So let's substitute 90 with this value because 90 is equal to 90. So that means angle M plus angle N equal to angle N plus angle B, because this side equal to 90 and this side equal to 90, right? Now here angle N, if I go to the other side, it will be minus angle M. So I have angle M plus angle N minus angle N equal to angle B. So plus angle N minus angle N, it will be 0. So at last, angle M will be equal to angle B. Now let's substitute the values of M and B here. So I have 5y minus 14 will be equal to y plus 26. So we'll move y to the other side. So it will be 4y, and minus 14 will go to the other side, will be plus, equal to 26 plus 14. So this one will be, so 4y will equal to 40. Divide by 4, divide by 4, so y will be equal to 10. So the answer here is 10. Given angle A congruent to angle B. Angle A congruent to angle B, that means angle A equal to angle B. Now angle X is the complement of angle A. It means complementary angles, that means angle X plus angle A equal to 90. And angle Y is complement of angle B. It means angle Y plus angle B equal to 90. What is the value of X if measurement of angle X equal to 2x minus 15 and measurement of angle Y equal to 45? Here I have angle A is equal to angle B, so n equal to 90. Angle X plus angle A equal to 90 and angle Y plus angle B equal to 90 and A equal to B. That means X will be equal to Y. That means angle X equal to angle Y. So angle X here is 2x minus 15 and angle Y is 45. So we'll move 15 to other side. So 2x will be equal to 15 plus 45. It will be equal to 60. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So x will be equal to 30 degrees. So the answer here, it will be 30. Refer to the figure below. I have 3 lines intersecting in one point. So the opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles will be equal. So I have this angle, the opposite angle for 8x minus 6 will be equal to 4x plus 10. So here we have 8x minus 6 will be equal to 4x plus 10. So from this equation, I can get the x. Another two angles are opposite. I have y and x plus 24. I have y angle equal to x plus 24. So now let's take this first equation. Let's simplify it. We'll move forward to this side. So it will be 4x equal minus 6 will go to the other side. It will be equal to 16. So divide by 4, divide by 4. So x will be equal to 4. Now when I get x, I'll substitute in this equation. So y will be equal to 4 plus 24. So y will be equal to 28. So the answer here is 28 degrees. Refer to the figure below where lines L and M intersect to form angles as labeled. So I have the two lines are intersecting. That means opposite angles will be equal. So I have 2x plus 30 will be equal to x plus 80. So let's get the x here. I will move x to the other side, so it will be x equal, and 30 will move to the other side, will be minus 30. So x will be equal to 50 degree. Okay, here the measure of angle 1. I have angle 1. I need to get the measure of angle 1. So now I have here, this is the line, and these two angles are pair angles. So x plus 80 plus angle 1 will be equal to 180. Now x was 50, so I have 50 plus 80 plus angle 1 will be equal to 180. This will be 130. So 130 I will move to the other side. So angle 1 will be equal to 180 minus 130. It will be 50 degree. So the angle 1 will be 50. And x is 50, so here 50 plus 80, it will be 130. So here it will be 180. So this angle also will be 50 because this angle is opposite to angle 1. So let's see if our solution is right. The answer is right. So I have 2x plus 80 plus 30 here, plus this angle will be equal to 180. So I have 2x plus 30 plus this angle is 50 will be equal to 180. To x is 50, so I have 100 plus 30 plus 50 equal to 180. So this angle, this will be equal to 180 equal to 180. So my answer is right. So the angle 1 is 50 degree. Refer to the triangle below. I have this triangle. So here I'm seeing angle 4 is external angle. So an angle 3 and angle 1 are remote internal angles. This is a remote internal angle. Okay, now fill in each blank with a single digit. It's saying here angle is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. I have ABC, so the exterior angle is 4. Now here I have angle 1 plus and angle are remote interior angles. So I have 1 and 3. So angle 1 and angle 3 are its remote interior angles. And angle 4 is exterior angle for triangle ABC. Refer to the figure below, given the two polygons are similar. Same what we said about the triangles, it's also same with the polygons because they are similar. What is the value of x? So we look at these two figures and let's see which sides are similar to other side. So we have this shape with this shape. So let's say this is polygon 1 and this is polygon 2. Okay? So this side is 18. So 18 divided by this side 12 will be equal. And this side is x, right? Similar to this side, 16 will be equal to x divided by 16. Right? So let's simplify. So here by 3 equal to 4, by 3 equal to 6. Here also by 2 equal to 2, by 2 equal to 3. So I have 3 over 2 multiply equal to x divided by 16. So let's make cross multiplication. So 2x be equal to 48 because 16 multiply 3, 18, 48. So here divide by 2, divide by 2. So x will be equal to 24. So here the x will be equal to 24. The two triangles drawn below are similar. These two triangles are similar. Which three letters in the correct order must be used to fill in the blank? Now, triangle ABC, similar to triangle, we need to make it in the correct order. Now, here, to make this triangle similar, we have this triangle ACB. We can make it at the same position. So that means we can rotate this triangle to this side anti-clockwise. We can rotate by 90 degrees. So B will be moved to M and A will move it to L and G and C will be moved to G. So I have this triangle CAP. If I rotate this triangle by 90 degrees counterclockwise, I will get this triangle. It will be, I move C this side, so C and B here, it will be, and A, it will be like this. So it will be similar to the same triangle here. This is A. Now we say that means point A, it will be similar to point L. And point B will be similar to point M. And point C will be similar to point G. So the answer, it will be LMG is similar to ABC. Given triangle KLM similar, this symbol similar, and this symbol is congruent, okay, to triangle K dash L dash M dash. So here let's draw the two triangles. Let's say I have KLM. So let's say I have any triangle, let's say KLM, similar to K dash L dash M dash. Okay. Now with KL equal to 12. Okay. And LM equal to 24. And K dash L dash equal to 30. Now here, what is the length of LM? So the similar, when two triangles are similar, so know that the sides will be similar also. So the equation of the similar, KL divided by K dash L dash will be equal to LM divided by L dash M dash. Okay. Now KL, it's 12 divided by K dash L dash 30 will be equal to LM, which is 24, divided by L dash M dash, and this is what we need to get. Now, cross multiplication, we have 12 L dash M dash equal to 30 multiply 24. Okay, so now 30, let's calculate. 30 multiply 24 will be equal, so I have 12 L dash M dash will be equal to 720. Divide by 12, divide by 12. So 720 divided by 12. So L dash M dash will be equal to 60. So the answer here will be 60. The two quadrilateral in the diagram below are similar. They are in the same shape, they are the same shape and even same position, by the way. But this one is smaller than this one, but they are similar. So by default, x, let's say this quadrilateral 1 and this quadrilateral 2, so x divided by 10 will be equal to 12 divided by 8. Okay, and also equal to 9 divided by 6 and 12 divided by 8. And all of them equal to a constant, something value constant. Okay, now he wants to know the value of x, so let's take these two parts. We can take any parts to make it equal with x over 10. So let's take x over 10 equal to 12 over 8. So let's simplify the equation. So we can say here by 4 equal 2 and here by 4 equal to 3. So x will be over 10 will be equal to 3 over 2 cross multiplication. So 2x will be equal to 30 divided by 2 divided by 2. So x will be equal to 15. So the answer here is 15.